Here I have VIVO Y69 and let me show you how to perform here the hard reset operation that device by using the VIVO settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, find and select the settings, scroll down to the bottom of the list and simply find here and select the more settings. Here let's scroll down and select here backup and reset. From the following options choose erase all data, and here you can erase your system accounts, your app data, app settings, system settings, downloaded apps, and you can also format your phone storage to erase songs, photos and other user data. Let me perform the full reset. Let's choose reset phone and wait for the following screen. Choose erase everything right now to accomplish that operation, and that's it. Now you have to wait until the operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Alright, as you can see my update failed. Let's tap OK. Let me tap back and let me choose reboot system. Alright, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. Now you may start simply activate your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.